In this video, we are going to show you how to register a destination table for scan data and faxes for your Canon Business Inkjet WG7000 series. To do this, you will need to access the remote UI. Check the IP address set to your machine in advance, and then input this IP address into a web browser and press Enter, which will launch the remote UI. In this portal, you can perform all the remote UI operations and settings. Enter the appropriate ID and PIN in the System Manager. Once you've logged in, the following portal page appears. On the right-hand side of the screen, select Address Book. Select the top Coded Dial and register a new destination for your fax. When you are finished, select OK. Enter your fax details and press OK. Congratulations, you've registered a destination for your scan data and faxes for your Canon Business Inkjet WG7000 series using the remote UI.